to Mr. Leo de Goma Hernandez Jr., my LJ, my best friend, my best companion, my Bibi Love Love, my Bibi, and now, finally, my hubby.
Di mapaliwanag ang eksaktong nararamdaman pag nagagawi, mata at ngiti mo sa'king may saning malambing kiliti. Bigla-bigla ko na lang hinahanap ang iyong halimuyak. Napapaindak ang puso ko sa'yo. Mundo ay biglang nagliliwanag, di na mabilang ang kulay na nakikita. Kapag andyan ka na, utak nagkakagulo. Paano ba ako nagagusto sa'yo? Am I in love?
Hi, B! Naaalala mo ba nung nabanggit mo sa akin na gusto mo ng necklace? Ito yung dahilan kung bakit napili ko ang gift na to para sa'yo. At dahil clover na necklace kasi, sa'yo ko nakikita yung characteristics na which is faith, hope, love, and luck. At syempre dahil sobrang special mo sa akin, special din ang gift ko sa'yo. Thank you, B! I really love it!
Umali kung tama ang aking nararamdaman. Ang dami-dami kung pwedeng magustuhan sa mundo, pero ba't parang sa'yo lang ako nagkakaganito? Nagliliwanag, di na mabilang ang kulay na nakikita. Kapag andyan ka na, kanta'y natitikman na parang matamis na bagay sa langit. Am I in love?
I still remember the first time I laid my eyes on you. On that one simple Facebook request. Sa dinami-daming request na nasa notification ko, di ko alam kung bakit may nagtulak sa akin para i-accept ang galing sa'yo. And little did I know, yun na pala ang simula ng love story nating LG.
I found a love that would chase after me, and every heartache there would be. It fills every break and the space in between. How it loves me. I found a love that would love honestly and never be far from my hand when I need. It makes real the things
Una sa lahat,
once lived in my
gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa iyo kasi sumipot ka sa asal natin.
how you
At salamat din sa pag-aasikaso nito lahat. Alam kong pagod ka tayo sa pag-aasikaso nito para maging successful lang lahat ng planong ito. Ito yung masasabi kong super worth it yung pagod since day one sa pag-aasikaso natin. Kaya ngayon, nandito ako sa harap ng ating mga pamilya at kaibigan para maging saksi sa ating pag-iisang dibdib.
fall into the heart that beats for me.
I thank God for this day kasi alam kong hindi natin ito mapagtatagumpay ang mag-isa. At alam kong kahit paulit-ulit mong sabihin na mas madami akong ginawa sa preparation na to, hindi ko yun magagawa nang hindi kita kasama. At ikaw pa rin ang pinakamalaking parte ng selebrasyon.
That would make me believe the beauty is found even in broken things. And every praise is a song I can sing. How you love me, how you fight for me, how you'll always be the air that I breathe, and everything. God, you're all that I need. How you fight for me, how you'll always.
Pangakong nga mahalin kita hanggang dulo dahil marami pa tayong mga planong gawin para sa future. At handa akong harapin lahat ng pagsubok na harapin natin dahil alam kong dalawa na tayo palagi ang lalaban.
Find peace. me so hopelessly.
Nak, congrats. Love you. Basta lagi nandito lang si Mama sa inyong dalawang diyan. At sana, wish ko sa inyo, maging masaya lagi, huwag mag-aaway. At laging nasa sentro si God para sa inyong relasyon, ha?
Every time I was broken, and every word that was spoken, Jesus, your love was there. And in the trial, you are the strength and provide. You are my friend in the fire. Jesus, your love was there when I was hopeless. Every time I was broken, and every word that was spoken, Jesus, your love was there. And in the trial,
Biggie yan.
you are the strength and provide.
Pangakong hindi ka na mag-iisa dahil simula ngayong araw na to, pinag-isa na tayo ng Panginoon. Kaya pangakong nandito lang ako sa tabi mo para alagaan, suportahan, at ipaglabang ka. Dahil kahit anong mangyari, mali man ang gawin mo, pangakong ikaw lang ang ipagtatanggol mo.
Jesus, your love was there.
At pangakong pasasayahin kita dahil hindi mo lang ako asawa, ako'y kaibigan, boyfriend, tito, kuya, kaaway, lahat na. Maging masaya ka lang, ha? Goods na ako. I love you, B. Ikaw ay aking ingatan at alagaan na ang buhay. Ako na ang bahala sa'yo at ikaw na ang bahala sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Always be the air that I breathe, and everything, God, you're all that I need. How you fight for me, how you'll always be the air that I breathe, and everything, God, you're
Now,
all that I need.
Leo, you may kiss the bride.
Fall into your arms and I find peace. I fall into the heart that beats for me. I fall into your arms and I find
B,
peace.
I promise to be a faithful wife to you. Pangako kong hindi lang ikaw ang papangalagaan at mamahalin ko, ngunit pati na rin ang mga taong mahal mo. Kasama mo ako, hindi lang sa saya, sa pagsubok, hindi lang sa success, at even sa failure.
So this is what you mean, and this is how you feel. So this is how you see.
I promise to be your faithful and loving housewife. I will serve you with the best that I can. And I will love you with the love of the Lord. And I promise to build a family that is serving Christ with you.
It's my honor to give to you our newly wedded couple, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Audrey and Gian, officially Hernandez.
And right now, for the next part of my vow is for us yet to discover. But the goal is eternity. I love you so much.